My parents bought me this drone last year as a present for me passing my GCSEs. In this video, I'd be sharing with you the accessories I bought after realizing having this drone alone is not enough. I learned a lot of mistakes flying my DJI Mavic Mini. I'd say expensive errors. Therefore, modifications became a necessity onto this 249-gram drone. It's your boy Cedric here. Welcome back to another tech video. Firstly, we need to make sure that whilst flying, your drone's field of view is at its best. A damaged lens is the last thing you'd want in your drone. Flying your drone without a protective lens will likely get scratched at some point, maybe during a rough landing. So, it is a must to buy a protective cover for your lens. And here's how you stick it on. Wipe the lens, then peel off the sticker and stick it onto the lens. The sticker will pick up dust or anything to keep this lens clean. Here you can see why the sticker is useful. Now for the protector. With the tweezers provided, gently hold the protector using your tweezer. Then, place it to the lens. After I was flying high for the first time with my Mavic Mini, the landing was difficult. Instead replacing with the original propellers, the double-sided colorful stripes makes my Mavic Mini more attractive. It claims that it offers a powerful thrust and a stable flight. Which set the propellers do you prefer? Comment down below. They were quick and easy to install. It came with its screws. Now my drone looks more attractive in the sky than it already is. The landing gear extensions elevate the drone up to 25mm. It effectively improves the drone's ability to adapt to the ground environment during takeoff and landing. The bottom is equipped with a silicone pad, cushioning shock absorption. It features a quick release foldable design and quick to install. No need to be removed when the drone is folded and stored, which is practical. Also, it avoids ground debris to less contamination or damage to the lens filter. When I finish using the drone, the propellers is likely to get damaged in the bag. There's an accessory for that. The propellers holder guard blade stabilizers. This prevents from scratching during its transportation. It is made of environmental silicone material, which is easy to install and remove. The antenna signal booster range extender. It is foldable and convenient to carry. It claims that it gives 95% stronger signal between the drone and the remote. This binocular is only for precaution if the drone is not visible during its flight. always thought that the original wire was awkward to plug. The micro USB to lightning cable is longer than the original wire and made of high quality material cord cable. When flying, I always thought that the longer the joystick, the more precise in maneuvering the drone. The adjustable remote controller extension sticks. This can adjust from 25 to 30 millimeters for more precise control during its flight. It is made out of aluminium and has a good feeling than the original one. Is there any possibility that I can fly with the app other than with a phone? This is the extended smartphone / tablet holder. It is made out of plastic, which is easy to carry outside and only weighs 220 grams. It is lightweight, durable and foldable. Let us now go to the memory card. When it comes to this, there are so many you can choose from. However, as we are talking about the DJI Mavic Mini here, I would highly recommend the SanDisk Extreme Pro V30 A2. Take note, Extreme Pro as it has a faster writing speed. A 64GB storage is enough to capture 3 hours of video. For new pilots like me, there is no need to choose a large one like 128GB. The 64GB will do the trick. If you worry that the storage may not be enough, you can buy two 64GB microSD cards instead of 128GB. Sometimes I worry about where to land. The Helipad is easy to unfold and is made out of nylon, which makes it waterproof. It provides a perfect landing platform for my Mavic Mini. I prefer putting all my gear in one bag. The Low Pro Drone Guard. It is made out of water-repellent nylon Oxford for improved moisture resistance. Despite the fact that it is designed for the Phantom, I can put most of my gear in this bag, including the drone, because it is built to fit and to be organized. Now I'm going to move on to the original accessories that came with the option. However, I already have reviewed it on the unboxing video of this drone. You can find it on the top or in the description below. This is the carrying bag that came with the Flymore combo, which is made of polyester. The Flymore combo comes with 3 batteries. DJI call it the Mavic Mini Intelligent Flight Battery. Each cost £45. Also, the charging hub that came with cost £35. Extra joysticks in case I lose them. Extra propellers with a screwdriver. Then we have the 360 propeller guards, which helps to protect the drone during its impact. And finally, the white wires is for charging, and the black one is for the remote for flying. I would like to thank my parents for making this video possible. Without them, this channel would not be passing 400 subscribers. Also, for the people who have subscribed and watch my videos. Please subscribe and help me reach 500 subscribers. this is the end of my 400 subscriber special video slash DJI Mavic Mini accessories video. Thank you for watching.